If you have been struggling to figure out how you can actually make money online, this particular seminar is for you. And believe me, I am going to be breaking down for you step by step and process by process how people actually make money online for you in this particular video. I am African Prince RX, and all I do online is to teach people how to make money online, and I teach people different skills that can actually make them money online. So in this particular video, I'm going to be breaking it down for you, the process of making money online, because a lot of you might have gotten different courses to no avail, and you have been thinking that, oh, after getting all these courses, I've still not been making money online. I am even tired of everything. Believe me, in this particular seminar that I am doing for you, you will definitely understand the reason why you have not been making money online, and what you need for you to fix in order for you to start making money on this online space. You see, for you to make money online, there are 4 major processes you need to follow. And these 4 major processes that you are seeing on the screen, I'm going to break it down for you so that you can see by yourself, do the needful, and then believe me, you will continuously make money online. Now look at it. The first process is for what? Have something of value to offer to the public. Everybody that is making money online, they are offering something to the public that made them that money they are making online. So if you also want to make money online, you need to offer something of value that you are going to be using to make money on this online. You may be thinking, what is that something of value all about? Believe me, in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you everything you needed. Just take your time. If you have a pen and paper, jot some things down, and if you don't have it, this video is definitely for you. You can rewatch it at any time of the day. Now, look at the second process is the public. The next thing you now need to do is to do what? Learn the strategies of selling that something of value. A lot of African youths have actually gotten something of value, but that is where they stop, and that is why they are stuck, because they don't know the strategies of selling that something of value to the people that are in need of it. Believe me, in this video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you everything accordingly. So the second step is what? Learn the strategies of selling that something of value. And for you to be able to sell this something of value with this strategy, you are going to be needing some tools online. You see, you need to learn the required tools to support that strategies of selling that thing. And then when you learn all those tools, what are those tools? I will show you all the tools here in this particular video so that you can see everything you need. Then go and have all those things, and then believe me, you will continuously make money on this online space. After you have that tool, you know how to use all those tools. Believe me, the last thing you now need to do is to do what? Understand the marketing funnel. And once you understand the marketing funnel, that is the end of online making money for you. And how do you think? And I'm sure you may be thinking that, what is this guy talking about? Let me show you what I am talking about. This is what you do. Anytime you want to make money online, this is exactly what you do. Let me show you. So this is what you do anytime you want to make money online. You go on Facebook, or probably you go on Instagram, and then you start scrolling till you get to an ad. Let's watch this ad together.
I'm giving myself 3 months. I want to work on my finance, and I'm giving myself 1 year. I want to work on this, and I'm giving myself 6 months. If you can give yourself a deadline to do something.
You see, there is something that I want you to understand in this ad. Let me explain that thing for you. So let me explain that particular thing for you. When you click on the ad like this, there are some things you should take notes. And you remember I said making money online is a process. The first one is having something of value. The second one is learning the strategies of selling that thing. The third one is learning the right tools to support your strategy. And then the last one is understanding the marketing funnel. It is only when you have passed through the level, that is when it is easier for you to now come to this particular Facebook to advertise yourself. How do I mean? Please let me explain. You see this particular ad that you are seeing? You see this ad? This particular place that you are seeing here, we call this thing, all this content that you are seeing here, we call them copy. All this content that you are seeing that the person have written, we call them what? We call them copy. And all this copy has the way we write them. It is only when you learn the strategy that you will understand how to write them. Like now, this one here, we call it attention part. This copy here, we call it call to action. This one in the middle, we call it interest. You will understand all these things when you learn the strategy of making money online, or the strategies of selling that something of value, because this particular person wants to sell his product or probably his knowledge. That is why the person is running this advert, because the person have passed through the strategies, the person have passed through the right tools to achieve this. Then now this person is actually doing the marketing funnel, lead generating, nurturing, and then it will convert. So let's check. Now you that you don't learn anything, you look at this ad, now you are interested in buying the ad. So you are going to click on the learn more button. So once you click on the learn more button, it's going to take you to another page like this. You see this page like this is called a marketing tool. It's called what? A marketing tool. You remember what I said? Learn the strategy. The first step is what? Having something of value. Second step, learning the strategies of selling that thing. The third step is what? Learning the right tools. This person now, you remember I showed you something the other time. I said that one is ad copy. Ad copy. Now, this one that you are seeing here is what we call landing page. What we use landing page to do is to get the information of people that are clicking on our ad. Please don't get this thing wrong. I'm still explaining what you do, and after you do it, you are thinking that you are not making money online. So I'm walking you through the process of those people that are making the money, what they have done that made that making money online easy for them. That is what I'm walking you through now. So now look at this landing page. Now let's now assume you want to register for this. Once you click on this register, you are going to see what it's going to do. It's going to request for my information for me to able to have access to this. As you can see, you can see they said I should choose something. You put in your name, you put in your email address, and then you click on register. Once you do this thing, what is going to happen to that person is that the owner of this particular advert is going to get your information so that it can be able to nurture you through email, and then it can be able to convert you. Before this person too can be able to achieve this thing, the person might have gotten those strategies of selling this particular thing. And let me explain some things to you. When we get to the strategies of selling, you will understand all the strategies behind this particular person's knowledge. Just stay calm and continue to watch. So let's assume you've registered for this. You register, you buy the course, you are expecting money, whereas you do not have any strategy. Again, you don't know how to use any tool, you don't understand the marketing funnel. And you see that you are left with 3 things that you don't know. And those 3 things are huge things that you need to understand. You need to know them very well for you to be able to also achieve making money online consistently. So that is the first person. Let's take a look at another person again. Let me go back. So another time you can look. Maybe you've bought the course. Let's look at this one.
One of the things I've learned in recent times right now about people and how they react to things is that opportunity comes to everybody, but then we have the chance.
Now let's take a look at this again. You can see what I was saying. Everybody that is running advert on Facebook, they've passed through some things that you do not pass through. But you buy their course, you expect the money. No, you have to do the needful before the money can come. And that is why I'm trying to create this seminar for you to open your eyes to things that people are doing online that you don't know. That when you just buy the course, you now be angry with them. You call them scammer because you don't make money. You cannot make the money because you've not done what they've done. And you need to do what they have done before you can also start to make money. So for example, let's say you buy the course and they now tell you, bring so amount again for me to teach you this. You'll be like, but you did not promise me all this one. No, yes, they cannot show you everything from this advert. This is too short for them to explain everything you are going to be getting. And thank God to this seminar that is going to open your eyes to everything you are going to be needing. Just take your time and follow truly. Now look at this. This is another what we call ad copy. I'm sure you'd have read what the person wrote. This particular short write-up that is here, if you don't have a copywriting skill, you can never write it. You will just be thinking here that I can write it, but believe me, you can never write it because there are some hidden knowledge behind writing this particular thing. So now look at this write-up here that you are seeing. They are called ad copy. I'm still going to be explaining what ad copy is all about when we get to the level. So now look at this advert now. When you click on the advert again, let's see where this one is going to take us to. So that you can see this particular advert also take us to what? It took us to a marketing tool.
I am so excited
marketing
to have you right here on this page right now
because
this goes to show
a landing page whereby we actually use to this is just a marketing tool. I don't want this
making money online.
Okay, so let me load this thing. Now this is another word. This is what we call marketing tool. Some people, when you click on their advert on Facebook, it will take you to Seller. Seller is also a marketing tool. Some people, when you click on their ad, it will take you directly to their DM. Yes, all those ones too, they are using a marketing tool of WhatsApp to do all these things. Is a process, and it's how you have to follow it accordingly for you to make the money. So you can see this person is also using the method of the other person. And when you click on register, it's going to ask you the same information. You can see they want to nurture you through email. All these ones are using email marketing to nurture. You can use email marketing to nurture somebody. You can use WhatsApp to nurture somebody. You can use websites. You can use anything. But majorly the two common one is email and then direct lead generation. You are going to understand everything as we proceed with this seminar. So now that you have seen all these things, a lot of people will buy this person's course, and when they buy the course, they will realize that them too, they are not making money online. So because all the things that they are supposed to do next, they did not do it, and then when they reach out to the person tells them to pay certain amount and they don't want to pay. So that is that about that. You need to understand everything you needed. Now let's go back to where we came from. So the next thing I want to explain, having that something of value to you and how you yourself can also start selling it.